Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Shiba price prediction and Shiba news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Shiba in 2022. Let me remind you a little about what Shiba INU is. The Shiba INU aspire to become an analog of Ethereum Dogecoin. Dogecoin is based on the SHIB algorithm. Shiba INU with SHIB token are part of a whole flock of canine cryptocurrencies collected from Baby Dogecoin, Baby Doge, Dogecoin, Doge, Jindo INU, Giant Alaska INU, LOS, and the Alaska Malamute token, LASM. These low-value tokens caught the attention of those who missed Dogecoin's jumps from $0.0002 to almost 75 cents. Once upon a time, there was a very special dog in the world. This dog was a Shiba INU breed and inspired people all over the world to invest in tokens with an image. According to the Shiba INU website, SHIB is a Dogecoin killer and will be listed on shibaswap's own decentralized exchange. Shiba INU paper revealed 3 reasons why he created the SHIB team. We started from scratch. The brilliant minds of Shiba have never collaborated before. We love Shiba INU dogs. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Shiba INU. Shiba INU. All you need to know about the next buying opportunity. The meme token has been on a steep downturn since hitting its ath in October last year. In fact, Shiba INU (SHIB) declined between southbound parallel channels and fell below the vital liquidity range near the $0.033 zone. SHIB prices are multiplied by a factor of 1,000 from here on. In light of the past tendencies of the buyers to defend the $0.02195, $0.02013 range, SHIB bulls aimed for a retest of the 20 EMA red before reversing back into a long-term downtrend. At press time, SHIB was trading at $0.022. During this bearish phase, SHIB lost its crucial point of control, red, POC, near the $0.033 level, and also fell below its 200 EMA, yellow. To top it up, this level coincided with the 23.6% Fibonacci resistance. The bulls took charge of the $0.02 mark that they upheld for over 4 months. Consequently, the price entered a tight phase, while the bulls started building up pressure and rejecting the lower prices. Thus, it saw over 70% gains from 3 to 9 February, and broke out of the down channel, while the 23.6% level stood strong. Over the last month, SHIB formed a falling wedge, reversal pattern, on its daily chart. But, as the 20 EMA fell, it plunged below the 200 EMA, yellow. In doing so, the bears visibly had an edge. Going forward, if history does repeat itself, the bulls would be keen on maintaining the 2 cents $0.021 range intact. Thus, keeping up the recovery hopes alive towards the $0.024 level. Also, traders must closely watch the decreasing gap between the 50 EMA, SIN, and the 200 EMA. If they undertake a bearish crossover, death cross, a major sell-off might be lurking around the corner. Rationale: the bearish RSI strive to find a close above the 43 to 45 resistance range. Interestingly, while the price action kept marking lower troughs over the past 3 weeks, the RSI kept the 39 support intact. This revealed a bullish divergence. Also, the OBV maintained its immediate support, while price diverged in the south. Furthermore, the DMI lines flashed a bearish preference, but flashed increasing buying influence. Furthermore, the ADX still pictured a weak directional trend for SHIB. Conclusion: all in all, a reading of its technical indicators suggested that a near-term revival might take place towards its 2050 EMA. Following this, the ALT could continue to reverse into its long-term downtrend. Besides, the ALT shares a 69% 30-day correlation with Bitcoin. Hence, keeping an eye on Bitcoin's movement with the overall market sentiment would be essential for making a profitable move. And second, use Bitcoin and Ethereum stuck in a range, Luna inches higher. Bitcoin price is struggling to recover above United States dollars 39,000 and United States dollars 40,000. Ethereum is still below United States dollars 2,600, XRP is down over 3%. AVAX, DOT, and Matic are down around 3%, while Luna gained 3%. Bitcoin price attempted an upside correction above United States dollars 39,000. However, BTC failed to clear the United States dollars 39,500 resistance zone and is currently, 422 UTC, trading near United States dollars 38,600. Similarly, most major altcoins are trading in a bearish zone. ETH is still at risk of extending losses down. Since setting foot in Africa's westernmost capital, Dakar, Nauru has made progress. As well as founding Bitcoin Senegal, he's given upwards of 18 educational talks about Bitcoin, and Orange Pell 2 restaurants, 1 games shop, a surf camp and a few local vendors. That's all in the space of about 6 weeks. He has his sights set on 20 restaurants to accept Bitcoin by July 2022, right before he finishes coding up Senegal's first proprietary Bitcoin exchange from scratch. The exchange would compete with Binance, which has an impressive footprint in Africa, Paxful, as well as Friend's cryptocurrency exchange, which uses an off-the-shelf third-party solution. Now we're told Cointelegraph that his exchange will be as decentralized as possible, and knows that while competition may be tough, the demand for Bitcoin is so large in Senegal that it doesn't matter how many exchanges you make. Indeed, while the sub-Saharan country of about 17 million people is familiar with Bitcoin, it's hardly up to speed with the digital currency. Plus, Nauer says literacy rates are very low, one of the biggest barriers to adoption. Furthermore, while the national language is officially French, the majority of Senegalese speak Wolof, a local language. There are sparse Bitcoin educational resources in Wolof. Nauer, therefore, started a YouTube channel in Wolof to educate his countrymen about Bitcoin. For vendors, the Bitcoin quest began in Les Almadies, a wealthy, expat area of Dakar, where foreign travelers are common and literacy rates are high. He's approached beach bars, restaurants and barber shops, happy to come day or night, if there is ever a problem with BitPay or Lightning terminals. In the restaurant Prinha, see picture, the Bitcoin sign is loud and proud. The owner of the establishment, Rene, is a surf coach and free thinker who was open to the idea of Bitcoin. Why not? They accepted their first payment in Bitcoin on February 24, having set up a Pay server earlier in the month. Nonetheless, volatility in the Bitcoin price and education continue to hamper Nauer's orange-pilling efforts. It's for that reason that he advises vendors to include a 10% markup for Bitcoin payments. Equally, he spends considerable amounts of time sitting down with retailers going over Bitcoin before introducing them to the Bitcoin Layer 2. In this video, we will raise the following question. Will Shiba INU return to all-time highs? Shiba INU continues to trade well below all-time highs. As of February 13, the altcoin price is at $0.000029. At the same time, on October 28 last year, the asset traded at peak values of $0.000086, a decrease of 66%. The price will not return to its historical maximum for a long time. This is the phrase of one of the analytics experts. After the price collapsed by 80% to $0.000017, Shiba INU recovered by 105% to $0.000035. The coin is interesting for investment. As a target, I suggest choosing the level of $0.000053, 50% of the fall from $0.000086 to $0.000017. With a favorable outcome, the price will reach the calculated level by the end of March of this year. Power reserve is approximately 70% with the current price model. The price will not return to the historical maximum for a long time. To begin with, buyers should gain a foothold above the $0.000040 level. Then they need to hold this level for 5 to 7 days, so that the price does not fall sharply again. Plus, a positive background is needed for the entire crypto market, and a fall in the dollar. All markets are in a fever because of the expectations of the US Federal Reserve rate hike on March 16. Shiba INU is an asset, the value of which depends entirely on the interest of investors. The more the coin is bought and used, the higher the rate. From this point of view, it makes sense to look at how the developers intend to develop the asset, attract new users, and expand the use of Shiba INU as a means of payment. And in 2021 alone, the number of investors who purchased the coin increased by 30%, which is a lot. Even institutional investors invest in the asset, despite the fact